In a quiet corner of the city, Trust still sleeps beside the warmth of morning light.
Every bond begins in laughter.
When answers come, they rarely sound like comfort. Yet silence speaks of love we can't explain.
You'll be fine, boy.
In the quiet between words, fear grows nimble, yet love still lingers, refusing to fade. Every departure begins with denial, and we tell ourselves it's mercy, not surrender. He thought leaving would hurt less if done in silence, but silence can echo louder than any goodbye.
The world doesn't end with noise. Sometimes it fades away quiet. Hunger humbles without sound. It teaches how to move unseen, how to need without asking.
Morning arrives without promise, only the simple duty to keep breathing, to keep moving towards something.
Kindness passes like light, brief, gentle.
Even the strongest heart must learn to slow beneath the weight of a merciless sun. Rest is the mercy of the body, a small surrender the heart earns after too much waiting.
In the glow of strangers, he searched for a glance. Hey there, sweetie. It's okay.
Sometimes salvation arrives without sound, only the quiet offering of a hand that means no harm.
Good boy.
In that fragile moment, trust was rebuilt, not through words, but through quiet recognition of care.
For the first time in many days, the world no longer ran from him close. It carried him somewhere safe.
It's okay, buddy.
Safety is not a place, but a feeling, a slow awakening that tells the heart it can rest again. Touch became language again, a simple motion speaking of care stronger than any word.
After hunger, even silence tastes like kindness, and warmth feels like the memory of trust.
Among strangers, kindness often speaks first.
It's all right.
He's healing fast.
Pain fades quietly when met with steady care.
Peace needs no promise, only warmth, the rhythm. He's very kind, just waiting for a home.
Some meetings arrive without intent. Two hearts notice.
Can we take him today?
Sometimes, belonging begins with a signature, but the promise lives in the eyes that wait beyond the glass.
Home isn't a place you reach. It's a heartbeat that finally finds one, beating back.
He's home now.
He didn't need words to understand. Love had found him again, and this time it would stay.
Every new day begins the same, light through the window and
Peace is not the absence of sorrow, it's finding joy that quietly endures beside it.
the home they had built together needed no walls of promise.
It's raining again, buddy.
Don't go too far.
A year can turn sorrow into sunlight, if love is patient enough to stay and let the world heal.
He looked so scared then. Yes, and now he looks home. I know. Your past.
We're together forever.
Come on, look!
He still runs like the first day. The seasons turned, yet peace.
Happy birthday, Mook!
4 years strong, huh?
Our good boy.
That's us when you first came home. You're my best friend. Freedom once lost is never forgotten. It lives in
We did it, huh? We made it.
Every journey ends where it was always meant to, in warmth, in stillness.
He's happy.
He always was, he just needed to be found.
He's up early,
He always is, checking the date for us.
and so he watched the sun return, not as one left behind.
He still finds the same spot every afternoon.
He's guarding the sunlight. Sweet dreams, buddy. Morning, buddy.
Morning comes quietly, as if to remind them that love never leaves, it only rests, then rises again.